A South Korean court sentenced former President Yoon Suk-yeol to life in prison on Thursday. He was found guilty of masterminding an insurrection linked to his December 2024 attempt to impose martial law. Prosecutors had sought the death penalty in the case, which was closely watched in a deeply divided country. It's the most consequential of a series of trials for the ousted leader. Hundreds of Yoon supporters held rallies near the court, holding up Yoon Again banners.
선고의 결과는
Given how much the rule of law has eroded in the Republic of Korea, we had hoped for an acquittal.
무죄 선고를 기대하고 있었지만
But we see today's result as a challenge our country now has to work through.
헤쳐나가야 될 숙제라고 생각하고 있습니다.
Meanwhile, some residents shared a different view.
South Korean citizens have been so deeply polarized, pitted against each other. I really think it should have been the death sentence, so that this doesn't become an example to repeat. Martial law must never be allowed.
Judge Ji-kwee Yoon said Yoon conspired with his then defense minister, Yong-hyun. He said that Yoon subverted the constitutional order by deploying troops to parliament, intending to paralyze its functions, and that the martial law declaration has caused an enormous social cost. Yoon's defense team says they'll discuss with him whether to appeal the ruling. Yoon's attempt to impose martial law lasted only about 6 hours before it was met by large street protests and voted down by parliament. The incident sent shockwaves through Asia's fourth largest economy, long considered one of the world's most resilient democracies.